Are you facing issues in learning NGS analysis? Well, lucky for you, BioCode is conducting an in-person workshop on cancer genomics, which will cover both the theoretical and practical aspects of next-generation sequencing analysis. It will help the attendees to conduct industrial real-life analysis of cancer dataset to identify the differentially expressed genes. This workshop will be held on 2nd September at 10 a.m. in Islamabad, Pakistan, and you don't need any prior experience. The workshop will start with an in-depth introduction to NGS, RNA sequencing, and cancer genomics. After that, you will be able to do data retrieval, quality control, mapping, post-alignment, and differential gene expression analysis. Key features of this workshop includes access to pre-recorded video tutorials, one-on-one mentorship, step-by-step guidelines, dedicated question and answer section, etc. If you need any more information regarding this workshop, email us on support@biocode.org.uk.